In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Word document to a PowerPoint presentation in Word for the web. If you already have a document that's organized with headings and clear sections, this can be a very helpful way to turn your written content into a presentation much faster. Instead of building every slide manually, Word for the web can take your document structure and convert it into a slide deck for you. To begin, open your Word document in Word for the web. Make sure you're working in the browser version of Word, since that's where this export option is available. It also helps if your document is well formatted before you start. For example, using headings for titles and sections can make the final presentation more organized and easier to edit later. Once your document is open, go to the File menu. From there, look for the Export option. This is where Word gives you tools for turning your document into other formats or outputs. Click Export and then choose Export to PowerPoint Presentation. This tells Word that you want to create a slide deck based on the content of your document. After that, you'll be asked to choose a visual template theme. This step lets you control the overall look and feel of the presentation before it's generated. Pick the theme that best matches the tone of your content. For example, you might want something clean and professional for business content, or something more colorful for educational or creative material. The theme you choose will apply the design style to the slides that Word creates. When you've selected your preferred theme, click Export. Word will then begin generating the PowerPoint presentation for you. This may take a moment depending on the length and complexity of your document, so give it a little time to process. Once the export is complete, you'll have a slide deck based on your document content and the theme you selected. From there, you can review the presentation and make any adjustments you need, such as refining slide text, rearranging content, or adding visuals if necessary. That's all it takes to convert a Word document into a PowerPoint presentation using Word for the web. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when you already have your ideas written out and just need to turn them into slides.